So today I'm going to be showing you some advanced search techniques you can use at the Kitchigami Regional Library. So the first thing I want to bring attention to is these drop-down menus. This first one here drops down and lets you select by category how you want to limit it. This lets you search items that are just within the library, that are completely digital, or limited down to types such as audiobooks, books, or DVDs. The next field that we can actually limit searches by is this one right here, in which we can limit it down to author, title, subject, or even the International Standard Book number. I'm going to first put in Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. Okay, so the first thing I did was decided not to actually limit it at all. So I'm going to get 17 results. Now, if I come over here to that first drop-down menu I mentioned earlier and limit it to just books and search again, I'm going to get just 5. But if I come and change this to DVDs and search, I'm going to get 3 results. And even audiobooks, I'm going to get 3 results. Returning to the default search results, you can actually limit it by showing you just what's available within the system. So this will remove anything that is currently being held as a book request or that's currently checked out. We're also able to limit things such as library, author, material type, collection, and even subject. We can also use search limiters in MinLink. Search limiters in MinLink are a little bit different from what we have in the Kitchigami system. We can still do it by format. We can also break down books to various different types, as well as articles, music recordings, videos, and audiobooks. Authors, subjects, and being able to narrow it down to a very specific subtopic, as well as when the book was published, its intended audience, and even language. Now I'm going to show you how to search for books that are similar to a book you already enjoy. So by clicking on the title, I can come down to subject terms, and I can see here it says wizards fiction, magic fiction, and schools fiction. Now let's check out what there is for magic. Now for magic fiction I have 289 results. Now I'm going to want to limit this to say Bemidji, include that. Then let's say I want to exclude anything that is too young. And lastly, include an element of fantasy. And there we have 113 results. So as I scroll down, I have a nice selection of books very similar to Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone. So I can come down and find a book that looks interesting, select it. Then I can see an abstract, additional subject terms, and even for some cases, whether or not it's a sequel. And those are some ways we can use search limiters to limit down search results for things to exclude things we don't want, include things we want, and even search for books that are similar to books that we enjoy.